Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we've got you another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and remove any of the filters and effects from a TikTok video. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your TikTok, and it's a matter of fact, if you have already made a video with an effect, you cannot undo that video unless that video is there in your draft. So for example, I'll go to my profile, go to my draft over here, and for example I have this filter on, right? Go to this option called discard edit. This is, if you see this round a circle being done, you can see it's the previous video right there. I can actually simply go ahead, tap on this X option given there, and I will remove the entire video with the effect, and I can make another one without the effect. That is one of the possibilities. And other than that, you will go ahead, tap on this plus icon right here, and then if we have any of the filter on, for example this one, right? So we have this filter on, so we have this filter on. If you make a video and we didn't like this, then what we're gonna go back, discard, go to your filter, tap on this. You can see this icon circle with line in it. Go ahead, tap on that one, and that filter will be removed. So this is the way you can go ahead, remove any of the effects and the filter from your video. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yes, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.